Here are the two schools for tonight's show, Central High and Charlemont High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From Central High, we have Kedan Bailey, Devontae Smith, Darrell Wright, and team captain Joel Fagan. While from Charlemont High, we have team captain Akeem Dunkley, Tawana Spalding, Brandon Buckley, and Ashley Findley. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to this 10th match in round 2 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu, and your judges are Teresa Easy for the arts and Ave McIntosh for the sciences. It all comes down to this: high schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Central High won and decided to go first. So this section lasts for 4 minutes. Please, may I have that time on the clock? Your first question is in Principles of Business. Central High, what is known as a startup in business?
Genesis.
That's a new company. Principles of Business for Charlemont. What do you call a partner who invests in a business but does not take an active part in managing it?
Proprietorship.
Sorry?
Proprietorship.
No, it's a sleeping or silent partner. International Affairs for Central, a visual clue. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Mario Jaji.
Incorrect. Miroslav Lajcak, President of the UN General Assembly. International Affairs for Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Michael Fennell.
Incorrect. Roberto Azevedo, Director General of the World Trade Organization. English language for Central High. Complete the proverb: a house divided against itself
Cannot stand. Cannot stand.
That's right. English language for Charlemont. Complete the proverb: a thing of beauty
is wonderful. Is wonderful.
is a joy forever. Music and audio clue for Central High. Listen to the following clip and identify the cartoon series that has this theme song.
Proud family.
That's right.
Nice.
Charlemont. Listen to the following clip and identify which cartoon series has this theme song.
When danger comes, just know that I am on my
Yes. Impossible.
That's correct. General knowledge for Central High. Of which U.S. state is Madison the capital city?
Wisconsin.
That's right. General knowledge for Charlemont. Richmond is the capital of which U.S. state?
Virginia.
That's right. Theater and cinema for Central. A visual clue. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Paula Patton.
Incorrect. Gina Rodriguez. Theater and cinema for Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Emma Stone.
Sophia Bush. Incorrect. Geography. Central. Which line of latitude is at 0 degrees?
The equator.
That's right. Geography for Charlemont. What is the name for the half of an imaginary great circle on the Earth's surface connecting points of equal longitude?
Meridian.
Meridian or line of longitude. Sport. A visual clue for Central. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shannon Gabriel.
West Indies cricketer. Correct. Sport for Charlemont. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Carlos Carlos Brockweight.
Incorrect. Chadwick Walton. Chemistry for Central. Which acid is the same as aspirin?
Acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid.
Very good. Chemistry for Charlemont. What is the chemical name for marble?
Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate.
That's right. French for Central High. What is the meaning of the verb suivre?
To follow. To follow.
Or to pay attention. Correct. French for Charlemont. What is the meaning of the verb ajouter?
Ajouter.
To regret.
To regret. To regret.
Incorrect. To add. Art. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Central High on 7 points, Charlemont High on 3 points. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge quiz returns after these messages.